Hi everyone, JT here and welcome. So we are back at Sunrise Mall. Demolition still going on and it's February, so update time. Let's take a look. So here's a look. Former entrance. Nothing much has changed. Well, I mean, totally a lot of demolition. Yep. This time I am a proper filmmaker. This time I have like a tripod kind of, I don't want to say selfie stick, but like a vlogging kind of thing that my dad got me for Christmas, and I wanted to use it, and this time I'm using it. This is why it's a little bit more less shaky, because I'm keeping it much more still this time around, so that helps. So yeah, improving in filmmaking. So here's a portion of the Sears that's still for lease, that's still abandoned, as you can see. All sealed up. Yep. Here's the other portion of the Sears store, which is still abandoned. And of course, here part of the former Sears Stein is still there. Someone left a ladder there. A whole bunch of pothole patches. I definitely know one place where that stuff is needed at this mall. Now there's where Bell Furniture is at, and you were able to see the interior entrance side, what it used to look like, but now it's all boarded up. You can't, I bet you're not going to see sun shining this time. Leftover bricks. Yep. Yeah. Majority of the demolition is almost done. Excuse me. These are still standing. Yep. Underneath the parking garage that is remaining standing, kind of, again, I still, these are to be kept. What reasons? I have no idea. Way over there is an elevator shaft with all glass elevator right there. Of course, we have the very distinct Sunrise Mall sign still standing. Yeah. Another view of the sign. Yep. The iconic fountain has now been destructed. Kind of sadly knew that was going to happen. And of course we have that prominent old Sears logo label scar still present. Of course, there's the elevator shaft to the elevator there. That memorial plaque. Corpus Christi Memorials. Inside Bell Furniture, going on the elevator. Two. Someone has tampered with the covering here. Last time I was here, you could see through the painted glass, but not anymore because they now boarded it all up so you can't see through at all. And of course, there's a new routine now. Yep. Still looking great. Going back on the elevator with copyright music blaring. Well, it's been a fast track of demolition. Much more clearing out. It's looking more like basically every remnant is gone. That truck over there, the Freedom Fitness, former Freedom Fitness. I saw a guy in a hazmat suit. I guess the dust or whatever going on, doubt it's asbestos, but that's happening. So now we're underneath one of the parking garages. Yeah. This is still standing. Again, to that mall in Robstown, the eeriness is even present here. It's crazy. Remnants that this used to be a Montgomery Ward. Can you still see here? No. Customer pickup parking only. Remember I said that pothole filling, those buckets we saw in the Sears store were needed? Look. This is, I don't know how anybody can drive on a road like this, but some people do. And the post office guy is smart to not drive through here. They're also starting to demolish that ramp right there. Soon this will all be cleared out. That portion left will be demolished. And that's it. Now all that's left is to see what they're going to build in this area. Because I have no clue. I mean, it's going to be hotels or restaurants. I doubt we're going to get something like Legacy West in Plano, but something will be built in the place of what's on the remaining buildings in here. So, there's the abandoned Walgreens. Again, a car is parked near the drive-thru window. I don't know why. Thankfully, with this stick, I can get a better shot out the window. You can see abandoned Walgreens. It's the interior of an abandoned Walgreens. Yeah. Okay, that was a complete walk around of Sunrise Mall for the month of February. Yeah, demolition is getting towards near completion. They're clearing out a lot of the debris that's been demolished. So, and of course the fountain's now been demolished, which I kind of expected would happen. So, that's all for me. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing my YTSR of the new episode of Miraculous. I'm going to see the movie. I'm going to see a movie that I should have watched last year, a YTSR of Piece by Piece, the Pharrell Williams biopic made in Legos. I'm going to be interested in watching that tonight. And, yeah. And of course, on Monday, I decided I'm going to be doing it on Monday. I will do my reaction to the winners list of this year's Grammy Awards, which are this Sunday. So stay tuned for all of those videos coming up. And until then, this is JT signing off.